Good day, everyone. Today we have a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to remove the window sweep on this one for your bottom loaders. This one's pretty simple. Another important note with these, felt seals like a lot of Chrysler vehicles have. So make sure before you go to do your window tint, tape these off. You're going to get a bunch of crap inside your film. All right, so behind this door handle, you're going to have one plastic trim piece. All you got to do is pull the handle. In the right-hand corner down there, there's going to be a little thing. You pop your tool in, pop it right out. After that, you're going to need a 10mm socket. Unscrew this screw, nice and easy. All right, so once you're done with that, this is a nice, easy door seal in that you can pretty much just pry this back. Do the same here. The front one is a little bit trickier. It kind of comes down over here where there's a clip. So you might have to pry a little bit harder, but ultimately it comes up really easy. Now this is where you'll take your hook tool, and I like to put it in the middle. The rubber end on this one has a little cap that kind of comes up and tucks underneath. Same with here. So if you pull in the middle, it comes out. All right, you just kind of lift, then it comes out. So this is what I was talking about. This just tucks under that plastic piece. The other side has one similar. It is flexible. They're not hard to get rid of. But at this point, as far as bottom loaders, now you just need to protect your panel, tape up your window seals, and you're totally good to install this window. So now when you go to put it back in, because of how this one works and where that tucks under here, you can take your hook tool and just hook under this piece of trim, and it will pull back a little bit. Also, don't stab yourself with the trim tool. I highly advise against that. Okay, so now, when you pull that, this will just pop out. You can put your sweep back in nice and easy. Take our sweep here, tuck your front edge in, and with this open, you can just slide that right in there, and then this will just slide back in. The only thing you have to watch is this felt edge here needs to sit on top of the trim piece. If it's trapped underneath it, your window's not going to seal properly. You're going to get a bunch of wind noise. So make sure you put that back in there. If you find yourself having a hard time getting the seal out, you can pry this out first and just get it out of the way, and then the trim tool comes out that much easier. Or the window sweep comes out that much easier, rather. All right, and just like that, this one's ready to go. Just put your stuff on there, tape your edges. Nice, easy bottom loading window tint. One good thing about this, if you don't actually want to remove these seals and you're going to two-stage it, a lot of Chryslers tend to have an issue where really deep window seals make two-staging really annoying. With this one, the window sweep is actually under the front of the vehicle, so you can shortcut your tint if you just want a quick in and out. Two-stage it, and it'll just line up with that on there, and you don't even have to do anything except protect your panel. I don't like doing that, just a personal preference, but if you like doing it, all the easier for you. Anyway, see you on the next one.